W from? Hey guys, long time no see. Figured I'll start this video off showing my new gadget. Got a couple new gadgets actually. Got the remote. Shout out Madlet S1K. He recommended it. He put me on to it. Got the new GoPro Hero 10, and I got the GoPro Max, the 360 action cam. Hoping to try that one out soon, but in the meantime, gotta make this light. Anyways, yeah, it's been, it's been some time, not gonna lie, half y'all probably think I'm dead at this point. Sometimes I forget I got damn near 50,000 subscribers. Hard not to. I mean, I'm just a regular ass guy, I got a job, go to work, come home, ride my bikes. It's a hobby, that's all I do. Just gonna hit in real quick. Apologize for the not uploading in a month and a half, damn near 2 months. Weather's been good. Well, I can't say that. Weather has gotten nicer. It just hit 90 degrees here today. It was real hot. Right now it's cooled down to about 70 something. I think some rain coming in, but for a little bit it was the weather. I can blame it on that. Then weather got nicer. I got a little sick. And after that, I started having technical difficulties with the damn GoPro 10. Started acting a little weird. I finally figured it out, got it fixed, so I can finally make videos now, because I didn't feel like recording on the Hero 8 no more. Oh, also, I don't know which viewer this was, but he always asks me to shoot it in 4K, so I'm doing this video in 4K 60, I think. Hopefully it turns out good, but most people can't even view that type of resolution, so kind of pointless. I usually just do 1080 60, but this video is in 4K, so yes sir. Video already 9 minutes. That's fine by me. I'll just be talking on this thing. Hey, that wheelie was crazy though. Y'all can't say it wasn't. Somebody clip it. So I know people have been putting my videos on TikTok, and I know one of them like really blew up. It was the one where I lost to the vet, and I'm like, I uploaded and I get flagged. One of the videos this dude uploaded, I uploaded myself, and it got flagged by TikTok, shadow ban, all that. Barely gets any views, and this dude's video doing like 1 million views damn near probably by this point, and I'm just like, damn, why my shit get flagged? There we go, nice 4K 60 shot of downtown. Always gotta do one of those. Ooh, it's a slingshot up there. Oh, he's parking. He ain't want no smoke. Oh, never mind. That ain't even a slingshot. Oh, it is. Some custom one though, or maybe it's not a slingshot. Maybe it's something else. No idea. No, Mr. Range Rover. You might got some money, but that does not mean you get to run me over. So I win today, pushing 200 on this boy. All right, Mr. Flintstone. Prayers. The ice cream truck cutting me off. Oh man, that'll be the day I die by an ice cream truck. God damn, I got big fucking flames coming out the back of this boy. You can just hear him. I can't see him right now because I'm riding the bike, but you can just hear that shit. Yeah, bro. What you doing in the street? Perks riding the bike, I guess. Hey, that's where I ordered my BMW from. Get a good look at that. If all turns out well, I will be picking my bike up right there. Woo! 1 to 6 gears, just like that. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap this one on up. Nothing more to be said. It was just an update video. Might be a little longer than I anticipated, but hey, you guys probably wouldn't mind that now, would y'all?